Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we're reporting live from CVS and we're about to get into our all digital deals. So these are going to be deals that I can do using only the coupons that I have on my CVS app, and we're going to get some great items today. So you know how I do, I'm not going to waste any time. Let's jump right into it. So the first deal up is on the L'Oreal facial care. So I'm going to do this deal two different ways today, but the first way that I'm going to do it is I am going to grab just one of these for $30.49 again. I have two 30% off coupons. I have two $5 CRTs. I have a $3 digital coupon and a $4 CRT. So after all of those coupons, I should pay around $6.61 and then get back a $10 extra buck, making this free plus an over $3 moneymaker. Next deal we're going to grab is the Schick Spend 15 Get 5. So this store literally only has one razor left, one men's razor that is. So I'm just going to grab this. We're going to be using those digital coupons that we have, the $5 and the $6, and we're also going to use that $4. And then I'm also going to grab one of these bamboo razors down here for $6.99. Then to complete my deal, I'm going to grab one of these Schick Intuition razors. So these are also $8.99, and I'm going to be using that $4 digital coupon. So the total for these three razors is going to be $24.97. I have the two that have the $6 and the $5 in-app coupons that will come off for this. I also have a $4 digital for this one, and I have a $4 digital for this one. With all of those coupons coming off, along with a 5 off of 20 shave CRT, then I would pay 97 cents and then get back 5, making these three a $4 moneymaker. I also have a $2 disposable CRT that I'm hoping will work. It hasn't been working for me lately, but hopefully that will work as well, because that would make these free and then a $5 moneymaker. So I'm going to go up and grab the L'Oreal and Schick first, since I am going to be using a percentage off coupon on the L'Oreal. Let's see how this deal goes. All right, you guys, so that transaction went really well. Let me show you a close-up of my receipt. So there is my Schick razors and the L'Oreal. So there is all of the coupons that we used. Everything came off successfully except for that $2 Schick digital. That thing refuses to come off. It should have deducted like 90 something cents, but still my cashier was not able to get it to apply. So that left my subtotal at $7.27, you guys, $7.27, and I went on ahead and paid that on a gift card so that my percentage off coupons would work well. And then you guys, I got back $15 in extra bucks. So we made over $7 in that transaction. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that $7 that we just made, and next we're going to get ourselves some laundry products. So the next deal up, we're going to do the Spend 40 Get 10, and we're going to use our digital coupons to get some cheap laundry products with that money maker. So the first thing I'm going to grab is one of these Tide Pods. They're $12.99. I'm going to be using the $3 digital coupon. Then I'm going to grab one of the Tide Liquid for $12.99, $3 digital coupon. Then I'm going to grab one of the smaller bottles of Tide Liquid. These are $6.99. I'm going to be using the $2 digital coupon. And then for my final item, I'm going to grab one of these Gain right here. So these are $6.99. I'm going to use the $1 digital coupon. So this is our complete laundry deal. This totals up to $39.96. With the CVS 98% rule, I am going to qualify in order to get back that $10 extra buck buying these 4 products. I am also going to qualify to use an 8 off of 40 coupon that we're going to throw into the mix to bring this down a little bit further. So I'm going to use that 8 off of 40. I'm going to use the $2 digital on the small bottle, $3 digital on the big bottle, $3 digital on the pods, and $1 digital on the Gain. That's going to bring me to $22.96 at the register. Then we're going to get back a $10 extra buck. That's going to make it $12.96 for all 4 products, which is an amazing deal. That's like we're paying for one of these and getting the other 3 for free. All right, you guys, so I'm about to go up. Now we're going to do our laundry deal. Let's see how this deal works out. right, you guys, so that worked out super good. Let me show you a close-up of my receipt. So there is our Tide and our Gain items that we got. There's all of our digital coupons. Those all came off successfully. I used $10 in my free Epic Beauty bucks, and then I also used a $10 extra buck, and that brought my subtotal down to $296. I did place that on a gift card, and then I did get back my $10 in extra bucks for that deal. So we spent out $12.96 for those 4 items, but we had already made $7.73 in our first transaction with the Schick and the L'Oreal. So those 4 items really had a total cost of $5.23 so far. Now, I'm not going to be counting in the Epic Beauty rewards because that's free money for me and I didn't count it as money earned. So I'm actually still in a moneymaker status. But without those Epic Beauty factored in, we would have spent $5 so far, which is amazing. The next item I'm gonna grab is an Axe item. So this should be a nice freebie for me because I have 2 high value $3 CVS coupons. So with those 2 coupons, I can get $6 off of 1 Axe product. So I could grab this Axe shower tool, or I could also grab one of these Axe body washes. I think I am going to grab the shower tool for $6.99. So I have about $7 in coupons, so one of them will have to be reduced down, so I need to go to a cashier for this transaction, and I should get that shower tool for completely free. One deal I'm not gonna do, but is a pretty good deal, is on the Sally Hansen Pure if you have these CVS coupons. So I have 2 $5 CVS coupons for the Sally Hansen Pure, and I also have a $2 CVS coupon. And these are also spend 20, get back a $5 extra buck this week. So I could pick up 2 of them for $19.99. Minus my $12 in CVS coupons, I would pay $7.98 at the register, then get back a $5 extra buck, making these $1.49 each. Now we also have manufacturer coupons. We have digitals, and we also have $1 paper coupons on these. If you have those, you could probably bring these down to as low as 49 cents each. The next deal up I am going to grab is on the L'Oreal. So this time I'm going to be doing the spend 25, get 5. So I'm grabbing these 2 products. One is $13.99 and the other one is $19.99. So my total for both is going to be $33.98. I'm going to use 2 of the 2 off of 12 CRTs. I am also going to be using a $7 CRT, and I have a $3 digital coupon for the toner. So after all of that, I should pay 0, you guys, and get back a $5 extra buck, making these 2 babies free plus a $5 moneymaker. So now I'm going to go and check out, and because self-checkout will not reduce down my coupons, I need to take this transaction to a cashier so they can hit that apply button. So let's go see how this deal works. All right, you guys, I love it when a plan comes together. That worked out so beautifully. So I didn't use any extra bucks. All I used was my coupons, and that came out completely free. So I paid 0, and then I did get back the $5 in extra bucks for the L'Oreal. So that was a $5 moneymaker. That transaction paid for everything that we've gotten so far. So now the next thing I need to do is I need to use my $10 Care Pass reward that's expiring today. So what I'm going to do with that is I'm actually just going to grab these Scott paper towels that are $10.49. I'm going to use that $10 Care Pass, and then we will be on our way. All right, you guys, so I am back at home, and this is our complete all digital haul for today. I think we did really good. We had some amazing money makers with this Schick and L'Oreal this week that we used to pay for our household items. So my last transaction, I'm going to put that receipt up on the screen because it was super easy. I just used my Care Pass to pay for those Scott paper towels. I love using the Care Pass for purchases like that when you don't have anything else that you want. I love to grab paper towels or garbage bags, and since the Care Pass only costs $4 or $5 a month depending on what you sign up for, you guys, it's like we paid $4.49 or $5.49 for those paper towels, and free for me because I am factoring in those Epic Beauty rewards. So you cannot miss with the Care Pass. Definitely, if you're not signed up, I'm going to have a link in the description box. for you to get signed up and start saving that easy money today. So let me know if you have any questions. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you have not already. I would love to have you here. I thank you all so much for watching today's video, and as always, you guys, I'll talk to you soon. Bye.